Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.
Hello everyone, my name is Saloni and I am an astrologer, palmist, and I also love reading about numerology, and I'm going to give you all the information about these mystic sciences and help you out in various aspects of your life. Today we are going to talk about the transits of planet in 2020, how there's going to be some major transit of two major planets, Jupiter and Saturn. Now why Jupiter and Saturn? Firstly, Jupiter is the most benefic planet of all, and Saturn is a very slow moving planet, and being very slow moving, it stays in a sign for a very long while, and therefore it's going to have a very, very major impact on everybody's life. Now, for those who do not know about transit, let me tell you what transit is. Transit is movement of planets. As we know, planets are not stationary; they keep on moving from one sign to another. And this movement of planet from one sign to another, from one nakshatra to another, is called transition. And the chart through which we look at these planets is called Gochar in Vedic astrology. Now, talking about the planet Jupiter, in May end, it became debilitated in the sign of Capricorn, and the niche Jupiter has got a lot of chaos in our life. Why it has caused a lot of chaos in our life? Because Jupiter, being the most benefic planet, became debilitated, and it is the preserver of life. This is the most important thing. Please note this thing, that Jupiter is the preserver of life. It is something that you collect aside in times of calamity, which you need, some sort of grains or savings, as having some saving account. That is signified by Jupiter. Now, this planet being debilitated right now is going to have a negative impact on our agriculture. It is going to have negative impact on the banking system. So these two negative impacts are seen in this year. And Saturn is also retrograde, and this retrograde Saturn in sign of Capricorn is all about practical things related to karma. And Saturn is the planet which has some sort of retributive effects for you. So it's better for a person to not think about the past right now in this time period specifically, and to concentrate more on the practical aspects of life, because Saturn wants you to be more and more practical. Saturn doesn't want you to overthink about anything. So you need to be practical, focused about your life. Even if you are right now grounded, even if you are right now in a lockdown, but this is what Saturn wants from you. Otherwise, there's going to be a lot of chaos in your life. And this Saturn and Jupiter being so close right now, they also help us in things related to, they also help in flourishing, things related to metallurgy, iron, coal, law and justice. So these things are going to be very, very prosperous for you. And talking about the relationship aspect right now, Jupiter, as we know, this planet is very, very important in terms of marriages, how marriages happen. We look at the movement of Jupiter. That, okay, if an astrologer is looking at your horoscope, he sees where Jupiter is placed in the horoscope specifically, and how this planet is transiting. So that will let us know whether the marriage of the native will happen or not. And this Jupiter is going to definitely cause delay in marriages. And there's also going to be breaking of relationship. Why? How it's going to break relationship? Because it is a Dharmkarka planet. It believes in dharma, righteousness. People are not going to be righteous in this time period, unfortunately. If you're a righteous person, unfortunately, you're going to suffer in this time period. So be very, very careful with people that you interact, and also the way Rahu is positioned. Please do not engage in things, just related to the fiction world, and, engaging with people just through your social media. And people who are addicts right now will become slightly more, you can say, violent in this time period, because also we can see in this current time, the moon is also slightly being affected. It is this thing. And another thing is that Mercury is going to get retrograde from June onward, from the mid of June onward, it is going to get retrograde. And this being retrograde, one should be very, very careful with anything that relates to contracts. So signing up of new contracts or getting a loan, that should be taken care of. Don't, rethink about it. Just rethink about it if you're about to take a loan. But on the other side, so the positive aspect is that Rahu is conjunct with it. So people who are into marketing, people who are into mass communication, people who are anywhere into advertisement and media, they are going to flourish in this time period. And overall, real estate is unfortunately going to be a dead market the whole year. So from September onwards, there are chances of recovery in the general economy, in the global economy. And I am pretty much hopeful that the situation is going to change from the end of year. So people, please be positive about everything. Have a constructive attitude. This is going to help you out in this time period. And if you like this channel, then kindly hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Do leave your comments. I want to know about your views, what kind of topics you want me to touch upon, and I'm there for you all.